To install the Spectrum app on Firestick, start by going to the home screen of your Firestick device. From there, navigate to the Amazon App Store by selecting the Apps option. Once you are in the App Store, use the search function to find the Spectrum TV app. Type in Spectrum TV using the on-screen keyboard and select the app from the search results. Select the Spectrum TV app icon to open its details page. Then click the Get or Download button to begin the installation process. The app will start downloading and installing on your Firestick device. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, select the Open button to launch the Spectrum TV app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. Enter your login credentials to access the app's features and content. After signing in, you can browse through the various channels and on-demand content available on the Spectrum TV app. You can also use the app's features such as parental controls and favorite channels to customize your viewing experience. To ensure a smooth viewing experience, make sure your Firestick device is connected to a stable internet connection and that your Spectrum subscription is active. You can also check for updates to the Spectrum TV app regularly to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. By following these steps, you can easily install and start using the Spectrum app on your Firestick device. The Spectrum TV app provides access to a wide range of live TV channels, on-demand content, and other features, making it a great addition to your Firestick device.